Welcome back to part 2 of the Diamond Clarity series. Hopefully you watched part 1, but if not, that's okay. You can continue watching this video and watch part 1 right after. In this video, we'll do a live research and find 3 different diamonds for your budget. The largest diamond, the best balance between all factors, and premium quality. After finding those 3 diamonds, it will be much easier for you to narrow down the options and make your final decision. First step is to click on the link below and open the diamond gallery. I recommend doing this research along with me, but with your real budget. For this example, my budget would be $5,000 since it's the average budget for buying a diamond. Don't worry if you have 2K or 20K, stay with me and trust the process. Let's start with the largest diamond within your budget. The first step is to sort the diamonds by carat from high to low. Since we prioritize carat over clarity and color, we need to focus on SI diamonds and low nearly colored grades such as J and I. To get more variety, we can also add some fluorescence to the diamond, so click on Advanced Settings and choose from None to Medium. If you don't want any fluorescence, that's okay, just stick to None, but if you do, know that I don't recommend getting a strong fluorescence. Keep in mind, the only factor we won't compromise here on all of the diamonds is the cut factor, so choose excellent polish and excellent symmetry to get at XXX diamond. I also recommend getting a GIA certified diamond in case you want a natural diamond. To get a best round diamonds, change the depth to 59 till 63 and table 54 to 60. Change the view to side view, this way we can see which diamond shows a stronger yellowish tint and decide which one has a better color. And now, let's scroll. Remember that we are not afraid of inclusions as long as the diamond is an eye-clean diamond, so open the first diamond you want to inspect. To inspect it, simply spin the diamond and try to spot any inclusions and blemishes. Each angle on the 360 HD video can help us reveal different inclusions and understand how it affects the total appearance of the diamond. It's an Si2 diamond and we can see that it has an inclusion over the top left, another inclusion on the right side of the table, and a small dot in the middle. Yet, I do think it's a beautiful diamond. It has a great cut that shows the black arrows of the diamond, which adds more contrast to the total appearance. The inclusions are not that visible to the naked eye, and if we inspect it from the side view, we can see it as a good age color. So what's the problem? This diamond is a bit hazy compared to other diamonds. It usually happens when SI diamond has cloud or feather, which is why the next step is to check the GIS certificate. Click on Real-Time Diamond Inspection or on the chat icon and ask them to email you the certificate. Remember the red list from part 1? Now it's time to compare it with the GIS certificate. We already know it's an Si2 diamond, but now we can see that the first comment is about cloud. As I told you in part 1, if an Si diamond has feather or cloud as the first comment, it's better to skip it and move on to the next diamond, since there is no point in getting a diamond with no brilliance. So back to the gallery, continue the research and open the next diamond you want to inspect. I want to show you the following example. Using the super zoom feature, we can easily see the flaw over the table and the facade, but still it might be an eye-clean diamond. So zoom out and check if you see it or not. I don't see much. It has a good size of 1.16 carat, it does have yellowish tint, but the cut is beautiful. So it's time to ask for the certificate and compare it with the red list. So what's the problem? It has an indented natural, which basically means that part of the rough diamond was left untouched during the polishing process. It's usually found on the girdle of the diamond. So again, back to the gallery. This process can take time, so be patient. And remember, I'm on your side. If you want to let me do the research for you, just click on the link below, fill in the form and I'll do it for free. You can also send me diamonds you consider buying, but want to make sure you make the right decision. You have my free advice, so don't be afraid to reach out. Back to the largest diamond. To keep this video short, I've picked this one. Although it has feather, it's not the first inclusion on the list, meaning it's not the main flaw. It shows good brilliance on the video, and the best way to decide if a diamond is beautiful or not is simply by using your own eyes and good common sense. If we inspect it while zooming out, we cannot see any inclusion, so it's an eye clean diamond. I'd say the only downside is the yellowish tint, but again, we prioritize carat. Overall, the combination of good size, beautiful cut, eye clean clarity, and good J color makes this diamond worth the investment, so I do think it can be a great pick for the budget. Moving on to the best balance between all factors. On this one, again, we don't compromise on cut, but we do have to sacrifice some carat to get a better color and clarity. So let's look for VS2 and VS1 diamonds. You can see that we lost some carat weight, but don't worry, we'll find a beautiful diamond. Some have fluorescence, which makes the diamond more affordable, but most of them have bad color. For the best balance, we don't want to compromise that much, so we want to avoid yellowish tint as much as we can. If you have a higher budget, you can look for better grades and focus on I to G, but I'll stick to this range for the 5K budget. Browse the gallery and try to find the best combination. Open different diamonds and start inspecting. Ask for the certificates and make sure you don't choose a diamond with inclusions from the red list. I've opened this diamond, which is a good example of a VS2 I personally won't recommend. First, it has a strong yellowish tint, but the main reason is that I won't feel comfortable recommending a diamond with such a crystal located on the table of the diamond. Even if I zoom out, I cannot guarantee it's an eye clean diamond. This is a good example why inspecting the diamond with James Allen videos along with the JS certificate is so crucial for the research process. I'm telling you, if you visit your local store and try to hold a real diamond loop for the first time, good chances are you won't know how to hold it steady without shaking, and you won't know where to look. So you can easily get manipulated and ripped off without even understanding what they just showed you. So as a good example, I have this diamond. First of all, it's beautiful. It has a good size of 1.09 carat, soft yellowish tint, good clarity, and great cut that shows the errors of the diamond. It does have feather, but I'm not afraid since it's VS2 and not SI. But another interesting thing about this one is the fact that I've only clicked on it and it's already unavailable, meaning someone just bought it. I want you to understand that diamonds are one of a kind. The second you find a diamond you like, you need to make sure to contact customer service either by clicking on real-time diamond inspection or on the chat icon and ask them to put the diamond on hold. This way, you secure the diamond, so no one else can buy it before you. You'll get 2 days to decide if you want it or not, and you can ask for more time if needed. But remember, if you won't get it, someone else will. Moving to the best quality, the premium diamond. On this one, based on our budget, we need to decide, are we looking to get the most brilliance, meaning we want to get a best cut, or are we looking for a better color and clarity? Let's find both. If we want to get the most brilliance, fire, and shine, we should look for Hudson diamonds. Those diamonds are the flagship of round diamonds, the top 1%, and they show much more brilliance than the normal ideal cut diamond. So we prioritize cut over clarity, color, and carat. But of course, we need to find a good balance between all. Change the cut to True Hearts, which is the Hudson collection of James Allen, and look for the best option. I'll open both for comparison. We need to check the ideal scope images of the diamonds and see which one shows more contrast between the black arcs and arrows of the diamond and the red shape of the diamond itself. We need to compare colors from side view, see which one shows less yellowish tint and which one is eye clean. Since both are eye clean diamonds, I'll go with this one. When comparing the ideal scope images, it shows more contrast, while the other diamond has faded arrows. The second reason is that this diamond has better color. The combination of good eye clean clarity, beautiful Hudson cut, and good J color makes this diamond the first option for the premium quality. The second option is to get an ideal cut with higher color and clarity, and a lower carat. In this case, we can look for VS2 clarity and higher and H color and higher. Because we want to get a higher color grade, I'll change the fluorescence to none, since it might affect the color and cause to a yellowish tint in nearly colorless and colorless diamonds. Immediately, we can see the yellowish tint options drop off from the gallery. Start to browse, compare colors, inspect the video, and ask for the certificate. I chose this one. It has a beautiful F colorless, great cut that shows the errors of the diamond, and the clarity is eye clean. But don't think we are done yet, because I want to show you 3 more diamonds. Back to the gallery, and now I'm going to hit this button, Lab Created Diamonds. Now some of you may jump and call it fake, but do your research, my friend, because lab diamonds and natural diamonds share the same identical chemical and optical characteristics. But not only that, it gives you much more bang for the buck. And again, some may say it's the worst investment ever, but let's do some quick math. The average resale value of a natural diamond is about 60% of the purchase price, meaning we lose 40%. So if we invest $5,000 in a natural diamond and one day we decide to sell it, we'll probably have to lose $2,000. When buying a diamond, customers should focus on investing in love and relationship and look for the most beautiful diamond under the budget. Don't focus on resale value because in most cases you lose money. So now we can decide. Do we want to invest our full $5,000 budget and get much larger, above 1.5 carat, with beautiful colorless color, perfect cut, and beautiful clarity? Or do we want to save $3,000 in the first place, keep it inside a wallet, invest $2,000 and get a better 1 carat diamond than the natural we get for $5,000? So now we cannot lose more than the $2,000 we paid. I understand that some want to have the sentimental value of a natural diamond, and some will prefer to get a lab-created diamond. You should know what is the best option for your loved one. I'm here to show you all the options you have before investing the money. The search process is the same on lab diamonds, but now there is no reason to go below VS2 clarity and F color, since it's much more affordable. So to get the largest diamond, change to VS2 Plus and F Plus. I chose this one. It's a beautiful 1.66 carat, F colorless and VS1 clarity. James Allen offers Odds and Errors lab-grown diamonds as well, so change the cut. And now, in this case, let's find a VVS diamond. You can see that for the same budget, we can get this beautiful 1.27 carat E colorless with VVS2 clarity. This one is the perfect diamond. Compared to all of the natural diamonds we've just picked, it beats them all. And again, if you want to save money, just limit the budget. I want to find the perfect and classic 1 carat EVS1. You can see that if I get it, I can save $2,910 in the first place, which is not possible if we go with a natural diamond. So that's it. We have 4 natural diamonds and 3 lab-grown diamonds. Do the work, narrow down your options and decide which one will make your significant other happy. And of course, don't let someone else get it before you. Contact customer service and ask them to put the diamond on hold until you make your final decision. All diamonds on this video are from the same vendor, which I found is the most competitive and has the best prices in the market. It has the best preview technology that allows you to inspect the diamonds like nowhere else. You can start the research by clicking the link below and look for the right diamond. Check the diamonds with the 360 HD video and try to find the right one. If you think you found the right one, if you are not sure which one to get, or if you simply need an expert on your side, contact me and I'll be glad to give you my free advice. In any case, I'm on your side. If you want to let me do the heavy lifting, click the Find a Diamond link below, answer 4 simple questions, and I will do the research for you for free. If you want to learn more about diamonds, go to labdiamondsreview.com.